Do you want to mute someone's Instagram post? You can mute posts from someone on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mute someone's Instagram post, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to the profile of the person whose posts you want to mute. Now, you will see the following button under their profile picture. Just tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Mute. A new menu screen will appear with different options. To mute posts from this specific account, enable the toggle switch next to posts. Muting someone doesn't unfollow them, and they won't be notified. You can unmute them anytime by following the same steps.